Hi there, I'm Carrie O'Reilly, and this is just a reminder that in 2 days I am going to be hosting a live masterclass. It's called 3 Keys to Revitalizing Your Emotional and Physical Intimacy. It's going to be, I hope, an exciting class. It's 90 minutes long, and the best part is that it's free and you can still sign up for it. As a matter of fact, if you look at the link below this video, it will take you to the registration page. So what can you expect? Well, you're going to, first of all, have a 34-page workbook so that you can follow along and do some deep thinking about your own relationship. Secondly, we're going to focus on the invisible barriers that we as women uniquely face when we're in relationships, many of which we're not even aware of. The second thing is that we're going to talk about sexual intimacy. What's involved in sexual intimacy? How do we get a feeling of desire back? And thirdly, we're going to talk about a communication tool that's being used by diplomats, by business people, and many couples worldwide. This communication tool has deepened conversations between couples, has allowed couples to talk about things that are difficult, and the best part is you're able to do it without fighting or without one of you getting upset and leaving the room. So those are 3 things that I can promise you if you attend this masterclass, you're going to leave with tools and skills that you can use right away. Anyway, I would love for you to come to this class, and I'm really hoping to see you there. Thank you.